Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks and it's from the lesson A Pair of Linear Equations. Now shown below is a graph representing straight lines L1, L2 and L3 such that L2 is parallel to L1 and L3 intersects L1 at exactly one point. Now the equation of L1 is x plus y equal to k, where k is a real number. And they've shown the graph here. Based on the above information, identify if the statements below are true or false. Justify your answer. Okay, so they've said in the question that L2 is parallel to L1, which means if L2 is parallel to L1, what do we know? L2 parallel to L1 means that A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, so we can check if the given equation, that is they've given the equation of L1 as x plus y equal to k and L2 they're saying could be 2x plus 2y equal to 2k. Okay, so let's take these two equations. Now x plus y equal to k is the equation of L1 and L2 we know they're saying it could be 2x plus 2y equal to 2k. We will check and decide if this can be the equation of L2. Okay, so now from the given equations, we know that A1 is equal to 1, the coefficient of the x term. B1 is equal to 1 as well, the coefficient of the y term. And C1 is the constant term. A2 on the other hand from this equation is 2. B2 is equal to 2 and C2 is equal to 2k. Okay, now let's look at, let's try and compare the ratios. We know that A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is also equal to 1 by 2 and C1 by C2 is equal to k by 2k, which is also equal to 1 by 2. So if you notice, we got that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, and that's not the condition for parallel lines. Therefore, the statement is false, as the lines are not parallel. Okay, now let's check if minus x plus y equal to k can be the equation of L3. Now what is the relation between L3 and L1 that they've given in the question? They have said that L3 intersects L1 at exactly one point, which means we know that these are intersecting lines and they have a unique solution. And the condition to check for unique solution is we know that A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. This is for unique solution or for intersecting lines. Okay, so let's write out the two equations. We know that L1 is given in the question as x plus y equal to k and L3 they're saying is minus x plus y equal to k. Okay, so now let's try and compare the ratios of the two equations. So we know A1 is 1 here, B1 is equal to 1 and C1 is equal to k. Now A2 we know is minus 1, B2 is equal to 1 and C2 is equal to k. So let's compare the ratios. Now we know that A1 by A2 will be 1 by minus 1, which is negative 1. And B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So clearly A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, L3 and L1 are intersecting lines. So we know that the equation they've said, it can be the equation of L3. So we know statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is true, as these could be intersecting lines, equations of two intersecting lines. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.